Hello everyone. Welcome to today's session where we'll dive into a crucial aspect of the construction industry, tendering. Specifically, we'll be looking at how tendering relates to project selection, risk evaluation, and assessing owners and consultants. In this video, I'll walk you through the essential steps and considerations in these areas, helping your company make informed decisions when selecting new projects. Before committing to any new project, it's essential to first evaluate your company's capacity. Here's how you can approach it. Workforce and expertise. Start by reviewing your team's current availability and skill sets. Do you have enough experienced personnel to handle this new project? For example, if the project involves complex engineering, make sure your team has engineers who specialize in that area. If not, you may need to hire externally or bring in subcontractors. Operational workload. Next, take a close look at your company's current obligations. Are your ongoing projects taking up most of your resources? You don't want to overcommit. Imagine this: if your team is stretched thin, it might result in delays, errors, or even affect your company's reputation. Equipment and technology. Also, think about the equipment you have. Is it enough for the scope of the new project? This could be anything from heavy machinery to specialized tools. If the project requires equipment you don't have, renting or buying might be necessary, which adds to the cost. Evaluate these aspects carefully. Financial health. Finally, look at your company's financial standing. Can you handle the additional risks and expenses that come with a new project? Ensure that your finances are stable enough to manage potential cash flow issues. Now let's talk about how to evaluate potential projects for risk and opportunity. Here's how you can approach this crucial task. Risk analysis. Every project comes with risks. Start by identifying any regulatory challenges that may arise. For example, does the project comply with local zoning laws, environmental standards, or safety regulations? These are things that can delay or even halt a project if not addressed early. Then, consider site challenges. Think about whether the site has difficult terrain, access issues, or even environmental factors like flooding or unstable soil. This kind of analysis requires a detailed review of the project site conditions. Finally, don't forget about financial risks. If the budget is tight or the owner has a history of delayed payments, that's a big red flag. You want to ensure that there are no surprises down the line that could threaten the profitability or completion of the project. Opportunity identification. Now, on the flip side, always look for opportunities. Could this project open doors for future work with a new client or expand your company into a new market? For instance, if the project involves green building or new technology, it could add value to your company's portfolio. This may even give you a competitive edge in the future. Look at the potential for innovation or process improvements that could make your company more efficient. Sometimes, the opportunity is more about what you learn or the relationships you build than the immediate profit. By balancing the risks with the opportunities, you can make more strategic decisions when tendering for projects. The last part of the evaluation process is often overlooked. Assessing the owner and consultants involved in the project. But this is crucial. Let me show you why. Owner evaluation. First, look into the owner's track record. Have they successfully completed projects in the past? If an owner has a history of disputes or is known for delayed payments, you'll want to think twice before proceeding. It's also important to evaluate their financial stability. You don't want to find out halfway through the project that the owner can't meet their financial obligations. Check their credit standing or ask for references from previous contractors who have worked with them. Consultant evaluation. The consultants are just as critical to the success of the project. Ask yourself, do the architects, engineers, or project managers have a good reputation? Do they have experience with similar projects? If they have a strong track record, they can help avoid costly design errors or delays. Collaboration between consultants and your team is also vital. You'll want to work with consultants who communicate well and are open to problem solving rather than finger-pointing when challenges arise. In conclusion, by thoroughly assessing internal capacities, evaluating project risks and opportunities, and ensuring collaboration with competent owners and consultants, Companies can make informed decisions that align with both their strategic goals when selecting projects to bid. And that's it. Thank you for joining our lesson today. Don't forget to follow our channel, like the video, and become a member to access all of our videos. We look forward to seeing you next time.